it's night, and I'll be showing you how many paper squishies I have. I'll get my paper squishies. So first up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I have 36 paper squishies. So that's all paper squishies I have. See you in the next video. And this is where I'm gonna put all of my paper squishies now. Not in that brown paper box. So bye guys. Bye. Like and subscribe.